The good, the bad, and the just plain ugly. MacGregor sailboats have a unique reputation in the sailing world. They're known for their versatility, affordability, and trailerability, making them a popular choice for some who are new to sailing or looking for a boat that can be easily transported. However, they also have their drawbacks, particularly when it comes to sailing performance and construction quality. Now, here are a few good things about MacGregors. MacGregor sailboats are designed to be multi-purpose. They can be used for day sailing, or weekend cruising, and even some light racing. Who wrote this? Many models also have the ability to plane under power, making them a good option for those who want a boat that can do it all. Let's not call it a hybrid. MacGregor sailboats are typically less expensive than comparable boats from other manufacturers. This makes them a very popular option for those who are on a budget or those who are just starting out in sailing. MacGregors are designed to be easily trailerable. I have trouble with that word. Trailerable. This means they can be towed behind a car or a truck, making it easy to take them to different sailing locations. For their length and beam, MacGregor sailboats offer surprisingly spacious accommodations. The cabins are typically sparse but well laid out and can sleep up to 4 people. Like most cruisers, that could be 4 people who know each other well enough to, sleep together in a small space. And MacGregor sailboats are generally easy to sail and handle. This makes them a good choice for beginners, for those who are just looking for a boat that's easy to manage. And now let's talk about the bad. But just before that, I'd like to take 10 seconds to ask that if you get anything out of this video, please like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it helps me continue to make videos like this. MacGregor sailboats are not known for their exceptional sailing performance. They are typically slower and less maneuverable than comparable boats from other manufacturers. Some MacGregor sailboats have been criticized for their construction quality. Many owners have reported issues with stress cracks and dangerously thin fiberglass, as well as other quality issues. The MacGregor sailboats that use a water ballast system instead of a traditional keel can make them more unstable than other boats, especially in heavy winds. Due to this water ballast system, the MacGregor boats typically also have less storage space in lockers than comparable boats from other manufacturers. MacGregor sailboats are not known for their beautiful lines. They are often described as being boxy or utilitarian in appearance, or just plain ugly. MacGregor has produced a variety of sailboat models over the years. Some of the most popular models include the MacGregor 26M. This is one of the most popular MacGregor models. It's known for its versatility and spacious accommodation. The 26M can plane under power with the right outboard and has a water ballast keel system. The McGregor 26X is similar to the 26M, but it has a larger engine and a more powerful rig. The 26X is also capable of planing under power. The MacGregor 25 is an older model that's still popular with some sailors. The 25 has a swing keel that is known for its good sailing performance. MacGregor 22 is a smaller model that is ideal for day sailing or weekend cruising. The 22 is also trailerable, like the rest of MacGregors. So here's a few features. MacGregors come with a variety of features, some unusual depending on the model. Many common features include a water ballast system that uses water to provide stability instead of a traditional keel, a rotating mast that allows the mast to rotate, which can improve sailing performance. Now, dagger boards are a retractable board that provides lateral resistance when sailing, acting like a keel when underway. And once again, it's reported they have amazingly spacious accommodations for their size, and MacGregor sailboats are designed to be easily trailerable. Although not a good choice for the serious sailor or blue water adventures, MacGregor sailboats are a good option for those who are looking for a versatile, affordable, and trailerable boat. They are not the best choice for those who are looking for a high-performance sailboat. If you are considering a MacGregor sailboat, it is important to weigh the pros and cons before you buy. I'm Alan Stokel. Thank you for watching.